How to order and pay on Temu website. Welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this video. First step is open up a browser that you prefer and search for Temu. Select the option of Temu. Make sure that you are logged in into your Temu account. Once you have successfully logged in, to order and pay on Temu, follow this next step. Browse through the item that you want to purchase. Complete the security verification. Once you have been verified, now you'll be able to shop. Select the cart icon next to the item. Select the color and quantity. Then select Add. Once it has been added to the cart, select the cart option at the side of the screen. Now in here, if you have not logged in into your account yet, make sure to log in. Select Checkout. For the final steps, you will have to enter your personal detail, that is your first name and your last name, your phone number and your address, that will be your delivery address. Once you have set your delivery address, you will also have to select a payment method. You can select your credit or debit card, enter your card credential, and you'll be able to successfully purchase your order on Temu. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.